Hello guys, welcome back to of Things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to reset JVC headphones. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here on your JVC headphones is you want to turn off your headphones. Now you want to press and hold the button on the earbuds until they actually turn off completely. Now what you need to do next is you want to take the left earbud and you want to press and hold the button for about 20 seconds. Now, after 10 seconds, the white indicator light will start flashing here for 3 times, but keep holding the button. Now, after 20 seconds, the white light will flash 3 times again, confirming that the earbud has been reset. Now, you want to place the left earbud back into the charging case. Now, from then on, you want to do the same thing on your right earbud. Now, you want to press and hold the button for about 20 seconds. And again, you should see the indicator lights here start flashing 3 times and just do the same process. Now, once you've done that, place your earbud back into the case again. Now, once both earbuds are reset and in the case, take them out and they should enter pairing mode automatically. Now, go to your device Bluetooth settings and pair them like you did the first time. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.